Many people think that weak bones are related to old age, but in reality, it is not like that. Genetics, eating habits, and bone construction during the growth spurts of adolescence can all interfere with bone quality. Try imagining your body without bone strength. Could you imagine it? It's almost impossible, isn't it? Without bones, walking, getting up, running, or jumping would be impossible. Because of that, bone health is crucial to our life quality. The good news is that there are many different ways of keeping your bones strong and avoiding the so dreaded osteoporosis. Have you ever heard about it? Osteoporosis is a disease that makes our bones weak and porous. As we age, it can increase the risks of bone fractures, especially on the hips, ribs, and femoral neck. If someone in your family suffers from this disease, chances are you will also suffer from it in the future. Learn what you can do to have healthy and strong bones. Consume foods rich in calcium. Calcium is an essential mineral for our teeth and bones, but for it to be absorbed by the body, you also need to get vitamin D, either through sunlight or foods. Chard, almonds, broccoli, kale, spinach, beet leaves, etc. are great sources of calcium. Consume vitamin D. People with low vitamin D levels are more prone to lower bone density. This vitamin helps the body absorb calcium, and according to studies, approximately 1 billion people around the world have a vitamin D deficiency. Get vitamin K too. It acts on care of your bones right now by practicing physical activities and paying attention to what you eat. This way, you will have amazing bone health.
If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.